best residence hall on campus.
I think that she is the best residence hall.
I believe that the best residence hall is Marion Hall.
The best freshman's residence hall has got to be Champ.
Why is it Champ?
Because it's connected to the dining hall, so you don't have to walk outside when it's like -10 degrees out, and because it's the party dorm, and because it's where all the cool people live.
I would say Leo because I know everyone says, oh, Champ is great, but honestly, Leo is like, it's still fun, you still meet a lot of people, but it's not as big and you can sit in your room and get work done instead of it constantly being loud.
Yeah, if you look at the sizes, like, we're the second biggest, but we're the best because we don't have to deal with all like the annoying people that are.
Or the slutty girls.
Yeah, we have normal people here.
Why is Marion the best?
I mean, I would say it's the best for day. Walk-in closets, it's always nice. You got a lot of space. And I don't know, I feel like everyone who's there has been able to become really close. And it's definitely a different kind of immersive experience, but it's the one that you should have.
Champ, like, I have friends in Champ, they all like, they like it, but they complain because they
I know
just
a lot of
get any
people-
of the work done.
A lot of people from Champ come to hang out in Leo because Leo's better.
Oh, it has co-ed dorms, so you get to know more people, I would say. If you live in Champ, then you're always going to be connected with all the activities going on and all the activities in the breezeway. You're always going to know about everything. So it's the center, kind of the center of campus. So. Leo's the wannabe of Champ.
1, 2, 3. Leo leads!
I live in Sheehan Hall, and my favorite hall is Champ.
I live in Leo. I love it, but I like Champ a lot too. It's a cool place. Marion, I'd live there too. I don't know, I'd live anywhere, but I like Leo a lot.
Do you have a favorite?
Probably Marion.
Why Marion?
It's small and confined. Everybody's friends in there. It's a tight-knit society. If you're an incoming freshman and you like to be loud, live in Champ. If you like to be sort of loud, live in Leo. I don't know the rules for Marion, but Sheehan is a very quiet place. Don't go there.
Can we just destroy Sheehan? Like, what is its purpose?
J'adore Leo parce qu'elle est la meilleure que l'autre salle. Elle est le mélange parfait entre la partie et l'école. Juste, elle est la meilleure.
Sheehan is not.
I forgot. Wait, shit.
Am I good with
Okay.
this interview?
Why do you feel this way?
Because we have a big blow table.